Hey everyone, for today's video, I'll show you how to record a chat in Snapchat without them seeing the notification that you recorded them. With this tutorial, you will finally be able to record in peace and privacy. The first step is obviously going to Snapchat and finding the person's chat. As you can see, when I record, it sends them a notification that says that I'm recording. So if you want them to not see this, follow my steps. All you have to do is type a little bit of text. Now, double tap on that and look for the button that says Look Up. Tap on this button and it will take you here. The last thing you'll need to do is just record. It's that simple. They won't see the notification that says you're recording them. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.